Not sure why a PPF job would be done like this. I already removed most of it, but we're going to remove the old PPF and then put on new one. But look at the edge here. Let's go all the way here. This film was completely not wrapped around the edge at all. Look how far it is here. So again, caution out there to anybody who's looking for PPF work. You may get very attractive prices, or the dealer may tell you when it's new they can do it for you, and this car possibly was done at a dealership. I don't know the history, but whoever did it, you see the quality, and that's totally unacceptable. So here she is, the 2020 Lambo Huracán Evo that you guys saw came in with existing PPF on the front end and on the roof. And the customer, who's already a customer of mine, just knew that the film was not looking the way it should look. So he brought it in. Of course, I documented what the film looked like, all of the edges that were just fully exposed. As you guys can tell here, everything is wrapped around. Previously, of course, it was over there. Same thing on this edge. The film was ending somewhere here. Everything is wrapped around. If we go to the roof, same thing. The old film was about that far off, and so everything here has been wrapped around. Instead of the front and the roof only like he had when he first brought it in, we did a full body. And let me show you a good example here, because the way it came in with the existing film on the roof, where it was completely short here and on this entire edge. Let me open this up. As you can tell here, our film goes down to here. Oh man, let me zoom in a little bit. You can see where the film goes this far, all the way down, whereas previously it was up here. So when I close this, nothing is exposed. Everything is completely wrapped around. So somebody who doesn't know that his car has PPF would not be able to tell. They will look at a car and they think it's just matte paint. And of course, with the matte car, you have to use matte film. So we used XPEL Stealth PPF. Of course, it goes on every painted part, so the diffuser is also completely covered. Everything is wrapped. No ceramic coating on this one. He did not ask for ceramic coating. I mean, the main thing is the PPF, because that gives you the full protection. But ceramic coating is mostly chosen by, I would say it's chosen by most of my clients, because it does make it extremely easy to maintain the car, to wash it. Things roll off right off the film. So I still think it's a good idea to put ceramic coating over PPF, but is it absolutely necessary? No, it's not. I mean, if your main concern is your paint protection, then the PPF is your main concern. So I'm trying to highlight all of the corners here and show that there's no film to be seen anywhere, because everything is wrapped around. And we also removed the window tint off the windshield, because the car came in with existing tint, but somebody had removed a sticker, I believe, here on the inside. So right around this corner, the film had ripped off. So we took that off and replaced it with our own ceramic film. I should say our own XPEL ceramic film, 70%. So now the car is fully wrapped. The owner definitely drives it, because before he dropped it off, he told me he had taken it on, I think, a 700-mile trip. So this is not going to be some garage queen, and even more so important for him, why he wanted it fully protected with PPF, because it will be driven. Yeah, it's a beautiful car. It's just a pain in the butt to maintain. matte paint, at least it has PPF on it now. But if it's just paint, I usually advise clients against that.